Welcome to the Learning Academy. Today we'll be looking at Google Earth's planetary exploration on the Earth. Now, this amazing feature on Google Earth focuses on comparing other geographical locations on other planets within our solar system that are similar in appearance to places or geological features on our Earth. Now, this is just simply fascinating, and it's like one step closer to us exploring the universe, or basically just exploring the solar system through Google Earth. I cannot wait for when that feature is rolled out, either on a brand new web application or whether it is incorporated on Google Earth. But for now, I am okay with just enjoying the view right here of other planets and other moons with similar geological features that are on the Earth. It helps me to basically have a feeling that I'm actually on one of these planets or on one of these moons in our solar system, or just somewhere out in the universe. So as you can see, there's a comparison between a location on the Earth and the red planet Mars, and this would be Mount Olympus. And also for Venus, there's also a comparison as well, and as you can see, there's a comparison between a large indentation created on the Earth and something that was created on Venus. So, you know, Venus would have been bombarded by asteroids, which would have created many craters over the years. So I find this very, very interesting and very helpful. This is for knowledge development and also for space exploration, and for all those people who need extra information about space like me. This feature is just perfect. As we continue to explore and compare planetary geological locations, we go as far as Enceladus on Saturn. Now, a similar location has been found on Earth with unique ecosystems, and it is a place on Earth where it seems that life was born. And so the belief is also that life may exist on Saturn's moon, Enceladus. And we all know that there's a fascination with the moons of Jupiter and the moons of Saturn. And astronomers actually believe that some of these moons have the potential to harbor life in various forms. Our next journey takes us to Jupiter. We'll be looking at a comparison between Jupiter's polar ice cap, which gives us an aurora that shines at the poles, and we're basically comparing that with a similar occurrence on our Earth. Now, Jupiter's moon is Io, and of course, the aurora on Jupiter is 100 times brighter and way more intense than the auroras on Earth. And it is so huge on Jupiter that it would basically cover the entire Earth. And this is something that I find really, really fascinating about Jupiter and all of the other planets. Now, Jupiter is the gas giant and basically the largest planet in our solar system. Now, it should be noted that the color of the auroras that appear on planets vary according to the components of the planet. And since Jupiter is a gas giant, it's only natural that it's fully composed of hydrogen. So it shines bright pink if you were to see it with your naked eye. So let's look now. We're currently looking at tundra near the Arctic Ocean, right, where permafrost and land spread even in the summer. Of course, this is being compared to Mars polar regions, right? The polar regions on Mars, this is being compared to a section on our Earth which is showcasing the Arctic Ocean and its permafrost lands. This comparison is basically between Saturn's moon Titan and how Earth would have looked in primitive days. So of course, we have a lot of water on Earth, and there are many species that live in our water, and they live various places on the Earth. Now, in comparison to Titan, it is also believed that Titan may harbor life. On Titan, however, there is a lot of methane instead of water. But if you're looking at the surface of Titan, there are rivers and lakes that look similar to that of Earth. As it is clear to see, most of what we have explored in terms of geological features across our solar system, these features are very similar to geological features on our Earth. Now, of course, it makes you wonder how similar the environment is on other planets and moons in our solar system to the environment that we live on Earth. So it makes you also want to ask a question. These places that have similarities, does it actually mean that it is possible that it can basically sustain human life or just life in another form? So space exploration is an exciting area. However, there are many questions that present itself because most of it remains unknown, because we have not been able to colonize any planets or moons for that matter. So it leaves the question, and it leaves us to wonder about the possibility of humans being able to survive on different planets that exist in the solar system or other exoplanets that exist in other systems spread out, whether in the Milky Way or across the universe. However, while we ponder these questions, as years go by, we will be provided with answers, and we will be able to explore these planets, whether it is that we're going to physically go there or we'll just be exploring them through space technology or through web applications. However, I look forward to those times in the future when we will have full exposure to these planets and their moons, and when information and research findings will be able to tell us how habitable these places are. And we will explore these planets and do the comparisons and pretend that we are scientists and astronomers using the wonderful Google Earth and its planetary exploration feature. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.